Medical term pronunciation, condition. British English pronunciation UK, atelectasis, a-te-lec-te-ses. Stress on the third syllable, the lec syllable. American English pronunciation US, atelectasis. Medical term pronunciation, condition. British English pronunciation UK, atelectasis, a-te-lec-te-ses. Stress on the third syllable, the lec syllable. American English pronunciation US, atelectasis. Medical term pronunciation, condition. British English pronunciation UK, atelectasis, a-te-lec-te-ses. Stress on the third syllable, the lec syllable. American English pronunciation US, atelectasis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.